Hi everybody, it is Kelly with Collage-Lab and it is my favorite time of the year. We are getting ready for our month-long mixed media collage challenge. Treasure Trovember is back for its 6th year. Can you believe it? If you are brand new, welcome. I hope you will enjoy this challenge. It is designed for absolute beginners and very experienced artists. It is a challenge about taking daily action in your art practice, not overthinking, and creating something one of a kind. So I've got some snips here of previous Trovembers to whet your interest. I hope that you will join us. We start November 1st every single day right here on YouTube. If you want to register and get a few little extra things, please go to explore.collagelab.com/Trovember, and I will see you here November 1st through the 30th for the 6th annual Treasure Trovember.